great turnout, a lot of exciting people coming to the show.
Appreciate it.
Hey guys, thanks for coming out. How does that feel?
Good.
Are you gonna buy some?
Maybe tomorrow.
Looks good.
Yes, so definitely.
Good job.
Hey, oh. All the heat comes off on the jet.
What do you guys got going up here, huh?
Got a new Dynasty 300. Put a 355 on, a couple of 255s.
Have any of you guys ever seen this in action?
I have not.
Your world is gonna change. That's awesome. Did you make that coleslaw yourself?
I did. I was up all night.
Such a good worker. The man of the show here, aren't you?
Kind of.